Can you add Zelle to Chime? Today we will talk about if you can add Zelle to Chime. Well, unfortunately, you cannot add Zelle to Chime because Chime is actually a financial technology company and not a bank account. So you simply won't be able to use Zelle on Chime because Zelle is actually associated with some of the bank accounts which have Zelle by default in it whenever they are making any payments. However, what you can do is you can actually download the Zelle app to make payment on the Shine. So you just have to download the Zelle app and then you can actually make payment to the other Zelle account as well. You won't be able to make payment to other Zelle financial institutes like another Zelle bank account because Chime is not a Zelle bank account. So you just have to ask another person to download the Zelle as well and then create an account. You both have Zelle, you will be able to transfer between Zelle. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.